Hi there. What I have today is a few locks that Vix Picks sent me, and two of them are his own, and one of them is from Funky Monkey number 16. There's the bitten on the key, so that should be fun. I've seen his channel and he seems like a really good picker, and I've seen a few of his challenge locks about, so I can't wait to get stuck into that one. But Vic was the one who sent me two locks. There's number 10. There's the bitten on the key, which I think it's cut himself, like filed it himself. Works lovely. And an ISCO lock with some really nice bitten there. And this one is Vic Picks number 7. So as Vic sent me the locks, I will give this one a go today, and hopefully we can get it picked. I'll be using pin side tension, and I'll be using a homemade pick. So straight in looking for a binder. Click out a 4. Another little click out of 3. I'd rather tighten that up enough. Just reset that. Little click out 1. Click out a 4. Click out a 5. Little click out a 2. That was pin 4 again. That was a click out a 2. Click out a 3. That was pin 4. And I touched on pin 1, and we do have an open. So, absolutely lovely little lock with a lot of clicks in. Let's take a look inside. Don't just hate when stuff like that happens. Never prepared. Try not to lock it back up. And as it is a challenge lock, I will shim it. Yes, I would say he's done something to the Bible as he has threaded it. So if we do get stuck, we will be able to still get this out. Already I can see some things done to the core. Got threads in one. That looks to be an undercut or a very light thread in two. Threads in them all, I think. We'll dump them out and take a look. All serrated so far, very nice. I think every pin was serrated. One serration in pin 5, but all the rest had a couple of serrations in. Very nice work on that Vic. Let's take a look to see what he's done up here. Absolutely beautiful pins. Just look at the work on that. Absolutely amazing. With a brass spring. Again, another spooled with serrations in the bottom. And another brass spring. Beginning to see a pattern here with a spooled serrated pin. And another brass spring. Serrated. And again brass. And finally, a spool with serrations on the end and another brass spring. Take a look to see if he's done anything. It doesn't look like it. Sorry about that. Yep, well, the cord just looks, the Bible looks standard. But there you have it. It was Vic Picks number 7 with some nice bitting on the key and some really nice pins. All serrations in the key pins. And these, absolutely beautiful work on these Vic. Really nice. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks. Bye for now.